Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, August 1st, and I'm going to be analyzing gold versus the dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on gold, I definitely am still looking at this as a 1-2, and I still think we're in a wave 3. I still think this wave 3 needs to go at least to the 161.8, so I'm definitely still bullish. Eventually, I think it is going to make a bigger correction for the wave 4, and another push up for the wave 5. So, taking it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I definitely am looking at this as the 1-2, and then all this from that point on is subdivisions of a wave 3. I think this is a 1 of 3, 2 of 3, 3 of 3, 4 of 3, and we are in a wave 5 of wave 3, which I still think has a pretty decent amount of upside potential. It could stop at the 50%, right around 2,500. My next area of resistance is right around the 2,560, I think, right around the 61.8. One of these two Fibonacci extension levels I definitely think is going to be where it ends up turning down for a wave 4. Taking it down to the daily time frame and zooming out a little bit, I originally was thinking that it possibly could go down for a wave C, but I am going back to my original analysis, which is this is a wave 3, the wave 4 ends right here, and this is like a 1, this is a 2, this is a 3, probably a wave 4, and we're probably in that wave 5 of wave 3, which I definitely don't think that wave 5 is over, and I'm definitely still looking for longs on sort of time frames. Taking it down to the 4 hour time frame, we had a nice break of structure to the upside yesterday, so we are definitely looking for longs right now. It is pretty obvious in hindsight that this is an A, this is a wave B, and that this is a downtrend for a wave C. This did bounce right off a Fibonacci level almost perfectly. Now I think it's also very obvious that this is a 1, 2, 3, so even if it does make a pullback, which I'm not even convinced it's really going to make too much of a pullback right now, I would still be looking for longs on sort of time phase at the end of every single pullback I see. I believe we are in a wave 5 of wave 3 right now. So let's take it right down to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, based on all the information we just looked at on the higher time frames, I'm definitely looking for longs only right now. I think this is clearly a wave 1, a wave 2, and we're clearly in a wave 3 right now. Now, I wouldn't go long at the top of a trend like this, but if it does make a pullback, that is where I would be looking to go long again for the continuation of the uptrend. I'm not saying that it needs to make a pullback right now. I'm just saying when and if it does make a pullback, I will be ready to go long every single time I see a pullback for the continuation of this uptrend, which I think right now we are still in this wave 3 of wave 5, and this wave 5 is actually part of a wave 3 on the weekly monthly time frame. So the trend is your friend, and I'm definitely only looking for longs, and I'm only looking to go long on pullbacks. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.